Hello everyone, I'm Rakul from CSC Data Science. Today, I'll be explaining is processed sugar good for your health, which comes under the subject biology for engineers. The code is BBOC4. So let us begin. So what are the contents we are going to see? Like first, we are going to see about natural versus refined sugar, traffic light system, health effects of excess sugar, health effects of added sugar, hidden sources of sugar, health risks, and what are the alternatives we can take. So the starting the natural versus refined sugar. So natural sugar occurs naturally in foods like fruits, dairy, and whole grain. Refined sugar is extracted from natural sources. Example sugarcane and processed to isolate the sugar content. Example granulated sugar or corn syrup. Middle ground. What are the middle ground? Like honey and agave fall between natural and refined sugar. And moderate consumption of natural sugars is generally safe as they come with other nutrients that slow down digestion. Added sugar found in processed foods should be limited. Now, as you can see, natural versus refined sugar, what natural sugars come? Whole foods like filling fibers, nutrient dense, should be high water content, full of micronutrient antioxidants. So we basically fruits and fibers like fruits. That these things comes from natural sugar. The refined sugars are processed food, little to no fiber, water removed, calorie dense, chemical loaded. Like what are the processed foods you are getting? Like any sweets made from chocolates and cereals like cold drinks, drinks, etc. So we should follow a traffic light system. So what is traffic light system in ways of your food? So green light refers to natural sugars in whole food, as fruit, starchy veggies, whole grains, dairy are safe. They digest slowly due to other components. Next, what is yellow light? Added sugar in foods like yogurt, granola bars, bread should be eaten in moderation. Women, it is given by WHO that women should be it should be less than equal to 25 gram a day. Men should be less than 37 gram a day. Then what is the red line? Highly processed sugar in candies, cookies, cakes exceeds daily limit. Fruit should be mostly avoided or very little you should be consumed. So this is what it is called as graphic light system. Like green, you can eat most of it, but not the always the extremely. But most of you can have green light, food, yellow light, red light should be minimized. And graphic light system, as you can see, there are for different. It is given like fat, saturates, sugar, salt, measure. Since we are discussing about sugars, we'll be talking about this only. Sure. As this is given in one of the charts, I think it is kind of old, but yeah, it is there. You can check it yourself. It is for like 600 gram or 200 gram, it should be what it is. Then health effects of excess sugar. So what are health effects like weight gain? Added sugar drives insulin levels leading to belly fat. Then mood changes. High sugar intake may contribute to mood swings, cognitive impairments, and emotional disorders. Depression risk. Excessive sugar consumption linked to higher chances of developing depression, which is like mental issues as well. And as we can see, excess sugar can lead to physical and mental disease. So this is what you can see from how sugar affects the body. Like 1 ounce of bottled soda contains 65 grams of sugars, which is equivalent to 16 packets. So like it can cause to your brain, heart, liver, joints, access, different pain and disease to you. Then what are health effects of hydro sugar? Again, that is the same thing as weight gain. Excess hydro sugar contributes to weight gain, as we discussed before. Insulin level increases insulin levels and can lead to belly fat, as we have discussed before only. Obesity risk. Snack foods, sweets, and sodas with added sugars are linked to obesity. So again, this is like health effects of hydro sugar, the high blood sugar can cause there are different things, high blood sugar, then the brain, liver function, blood pressure and heart, pancreas, kidneys, libido, metabolism and weight, the skin, the teeth, the joints, they can be at risk. So what are hidden sources of sugar? Condiments like ketchup, salad dressing, and barbecue sauce often contain added sugar. Beverages, soft drinks, energy drinks, and flavored coffees can be high in sugar. Processed foods, breakfast cereals, Canned soups and even savory snacks may have added sugars. So as you can see, I've taken the source from internet that surprising sources of hidden sugars. The pasta sauce is 6 to 12 grams per 1/2 cup serving. The sugars are contained granola bars, then yogurt, your yogurts, instant oatmeal, salad dressing, coleslaw, tea, dried fruits, and ketchup. As we have seen, most of these are things you use day to day life in your foods. Then health risk, dental health. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria leading to cavities. Cardiovascular risk. Excessive sugar intake is linked to heart disease. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation due to sugar consumption affects overall health. Then we have discussed before health risk is infected from like the it may lead to cancer, which is very hard, but yeah, it may lead to a cancer. Dental care is obesity, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, depressions, acne, heart disease. Then what are the alternatives? Like we use sugars in our day-to-day life, but what are the alternatives? Then natural sweeteners, opt for honey, maple syrup, or stevia. Then whole fruits, satisfy your sweet tooth with whole fruits. Red labels. Be mindful of hidden sugars in packaged foods. Like basically read before the how many sugar contents are there, what are the type of sugars contained in the food. If you're buying some packaged foods, you can see at the back of the packets what are the items, how many sugars are there. So like what are the things as we have discussed like honey, stevia, seed salt, maple syrup. You can use like if you're using 1 cup of sugar, you can use it this type of thing. 1 tablespoon of sugar like this, 1 teaspoon of sugar like this notes. You can read yourself. So the alternative. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.